New model alert. We got the zai-aan.
Heck yeah. Exciting day today.
Wait a second. Didn't we already do the zai-aan?
We did, but after all the requests,
remastered.
They want that walkthrough.
Remastered. All right, so you got the walkthrough. I was going to say this rendering looks a lot different. So tell everybody what the heck we're doing here. So we already launched the zai-aan. It was like our first or second model.
Yeah. So a while ago we launched that zai-aan,
yeah.
And then 3 weeks later, Chris came up with doing virtual walkthroughs.
That's right.
Me and him worked on them. We released it. I'm not sure exactly how maybe it was Homestead it was. And then we just got a ton of response says, hey, are you guys going to do the zai-aan or the Biscayne? And we are working on the Biscayne, but first we're going to do the zai-aan.
Yeah. And also let everyone know the zai-aan has been a complete hit. We got a zai-aan in plan deposit process. We got a 800 square foot small home zai-aan, and we have another, it's going to be like probably 600 square foot small home IRC compliant going on the foundation zai-aan. So we got 3 zai-aans, all different takes coming up here in the near future.
It's going to be exciting. Have a nice portfolio.
But this one looks great.
Yeah. So let's get in here. Let's do this walkthrough. All right.
I love the beam accents. It changes everything up a little bit. It takes it in between that like more really clean contemporary look to where that does give it a little bit more of that like modern day industrial. I don't want to say rustic, but I love the purple backsplash.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, just try to keep changing up the colors.
Reminds me of your house.
Yeah. Yeah. So here we go, coming into the main focal point, kitchen and living room area.
I like it.
So
small details, but I like the gold fixtures too.
Yeah. Yeah.
You guys did a good job with
So here's this rolling island, right? So it's optional, can be fixed in place, or it can roll out. So it just depends on space and what you need.
What's this Harry Potter stuff going on
here? Little bit of magic Chris wanted to throw in there for us. So
hey, I mean, listen, we definitely have some sort of magic here at Utopian Villas with these designs.
Absolutely. And then moving in the living room, got 3 people sitting there, nice electric fireplace, nice flat screen TV, and then coming out onto this big porch.
I like it. Plenty of living space, nice little couch in there. And this is the standard now 8-foot front porch, right?
8 foot, correct.
Which that can be extended to 10 feet. It would make a big difference, but you can see right there comfortably what you can fit just in the 8-foot porch.
Yeah, great space. The cedar, the wood, it just...
The beams and the woodwork on the ceiling, how it continues from the exterior through the interior, I think that's really one of the things that's catching my eye the most.
Yeah, similar to our Biscayne model, had a similar feature to it. So, and then coming back, we've got the little desk area.
Love it.
And then turning into this bathroom here.
Again, one of our kind of what I'm seeing here in the renderings lately, very typical bathroom, full size. There's a little bit of water in the tub, it looks like.
Yep.
Again, that is our standard Kohler Sterling fiberglass shower module. I love it. Nice, simple, yet elegant vanity there. Nice mirror.
Yeah, and then coming out here, this desk area again.
That's a perfect little desk area there because everyone, honestly, whether you work a lot on the computer or you don't, everyone loves having a little home office. And you got the combo washer and dryer there.
Yeah.
The purple backsplash continues. I like that accent as well.
Yeah.
And then the zai-aan, I know we had a little loft in. Again, we design all of our models so differently because we service the vacation homes, the full-times, the mother-in-laws. So when these guys go into it, we've all decided, hey, this one's going to be more for vacation. So limited storage, it'll have a small loft or whatever it might be. And then some of them are like, hey, this one's for as many people as we can pack into it. This one's for full-time living. So all the models always have a little bit of a different feel based on how people are going to use it.
Yeah, absolutely. And of course, a loft area, queen-size bed, got some storage on both sides, and then these double skylights.
Those skylights are just a game changer. Yeah. I mean, those are huge. What size are those?
It's 24 by 48, 2 of them. So, yeah, gorgeous. Sit up there at night, look at the stars.
Yeah, this design is something that I see exactly why it's been so popular. And guys, we will mention that the zai-aan does happen to be one of the more cost-effective models, Jay, right? I mean, that is one thing that's appealing to it is that I think you guys found a way to take such a simplistic yet modern, sharp-looking, it says Utopian Villas design, but still really keep it cost-effective.
Yeah, absolutely.
Lots of storage.
Yeah, and here's your master bedroom. So queen-size bed, had some storage on the back side, as you saw, and then here's all the doors opening. So, people say there's not a lot of storage in the tiny home, but this is to show you what you all have.
Right, a couple purses up there.
Yeah, I mean, and we didn't even open the drawers, but you still got 4 drawers there.
Yep.
So.
Yep. one last hoorah right there. All getting out.
Yeah.
I love these effects that you guys are doing. I mean, this is definitely, I know it's going to help my customers.
Yeah. We're just really giving a sense of space and get just a feel for what it would be like to be in there, so.
Again, that's a perfect little nook right there. I don't think we've ever utilized the space like that in a hallway, which we would consider dead space, so well. I think that really works well. Better than the bunk beds even.
Yeah. Now coming outside here, we'll do the virtual walk around and get a look at the outside.
Wow, these trees seem to look realer than normal.
Yeah, we've switched software programs now, so we're, again, just, Chris keeps on me to just keep amping it up, and as you see, this is what's happening. So just getting better and better. So
yeah, the landscape, the trees. Wow, I didn't even know that you guys did that, to be honest. But this brings it together, everyone. I mean, this is what makes it feel like a home, right? This is on your piece of property. You have the landscaping around it. It's nothing more than just a small little cabin in the middle of utopia.
Yeah. You got to finish it all off with the landscaping to make it all work. So
yeah, it works. That looks real nice. Now,
and of course, our original brochure. So back weeks ago, 10, 12 weeks ago, this is when we first launched this.
Yep.
And this, of course, is our brochure, and this was what the look of that model was like. So.
Yeah, so just looking at this compared to the other one, not too much difference, but it's the small things that go a long way. Again, we walked through this floor plan. This does show the bunk beds as well, but just pretend you only have this floor plan, which so many of you only did the past 10 weeks. And again, many of them requested, hey, are you going to do those walkthroughs on the zai-aan? And now that we've done it, if you like this space, that video just brought this to life on a level to where it looks way bigger.
Yeah,
it looks way bigger. The functionality of the zai-aan, it just works well.
And 400 square feet.
400 square feet. Yep.
So so we came in this front door and again into this kitchen area. So again, you get you're in the living room, you're in the kitchen. It's all at once. And then of course this was that rolling island here that popped out. So this is where it would go if you don't want it out.
That hides away.
This is where it is.
Hides away really nicely.
Yeah. So it depends how many people you got over. Big family gathering. Yep. You don't want that out in the middle.
Or if you're prepping and cooking in the kitchen, you like to turn around and have something to put stuff on right away.
Absolutely.
I get that.
And then we came out onto this covered deck, and again, 8 feet out here, and again, 10 feet, like you said, to make that a little bit bigger. So,
but even the 8 feet, I think, worked well.
Yeah, absolutely. And then we came back here in the hallway, went into this bathroom. Again, our standard tub shower, depending on what you want. Toilet, standard vanity. And then here's that desk area. Now, this point, like you said, we shown it with a bunk bed. Yep. Doesn't have to be, you can do with a desk as we did.
We also had the combo washer dryer there. Again, however you want to use your space, you have plenty of room for a stackable as well if that's something that you'd be interested in.
Yeah. Lots of opportunities there for sure. And then into this master bedroom, again, queen size bed. Had the storage on both sides, and we had storage on the back. And then again, all that storage here.
Which
tons of storage.
I'm glad that you guys actually opened them up, because when you see a wall of storage, it's like, okay, wow, that's a lot. But to open them up and to actually see what it looks like for shirts, pants, shoes actually in there, it gave me a much better sense of how much space I'm actually working with as far as quantity of clothing.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. And then going up into that loft area.
Which again, simple loft. On this plan here, you will see, and Justin can line it out, but we did do the additional storage, it looked like.
Yeah, so we did. Of course, you saw in the video, you saw the rolling ladder that we had here and saw that in operation. And then what we did is, this was just a high ceiling in the bathroom. We ended up taking that, making it just a lowered ceiling, standard 90-inch ceiling in the bathroom, and then did pocket doors here. And then this is now all storage.
Which is great. Again, whether it be for just quick throwing the suitcases up there, or even if it's just seasonal stuff, if you're out at your vacation home and you have some stuff for the outside.
Yeah.
Perfect space for whatever you need.
Yeah, and then again, back to that loft. Queen size bed,
those
2 end cabinets,
skylights were just awesome.
Skylight.
In the middle of nowhere, being able to look up at the sky and take a look at the stars. I mean, that's something that you can't do every day.
Yeah, no, it's a great plan. So,
hey,
turned out good, right?
I mean, you guys just are always killing it. And I was really pushing this plan, guys. So give us your feedback on it. I want to hear it, because I definitely I was tooting the horn loud. Yeah. I love this model. So give us your feedback, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for another one coming next week.
Absolutely. See you guys later.
Take care.